Hello everyone, Big Game Al here, back again from another seaside location. Yes, we're doing another Cex and Charity shop hunt in Lowestoft, of all places. And we're joined by good old Dino Plays. Give us a hello.
Hello.
There you go. Right, let's go and check out some of these charity shops and see if we can find anything. And we have found our first charity shop, the East Anglia Children's Hospice, aka Each. And we've got some Nintendo DS games, £1.50 each. Next up, we've got this little independent one. It's quite nice. Quite a few in here. Not worth getting there. Next up, we've got Sally Ann's, aka the Salvation Army. Sadly, don't look like there's any games in here. I'll have a look at some toys instead. Next up, the East Coast Hospice charity shop. Got a FIFA Connect Adventures and a few PC games, but that's all. And here we have a massive Suit Rider store. Let's go check this one out. Yeah, we've got a few bits in here. Nothing worth grabbing though, but good to see games. And next up we have a YMCA. Let's see if they got anything. A few more PC games and a Wii Fit Plus. And of course, a brain training. Up next is a pretty small cancer research shop. Hopefully they've got something good for us. A couple of 360 games and some PC games. £1 each, not bad. Oh look, Sports Direct game. Next up we've got another YMCA, and this one looks massive. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Well, they've got a few games in here, a few Wii, a PS2 games, and the rest are just all PC. But yeah, good to see games. Well, this looks like it used to be some sort of game shop, Unity Gaming, but it's now a MenCap charity shop. So yeah, let's go see if they've got anything. A few bits and pieces. Next up we've got this quite big one here, Sense. Hopefully they've got some games. Let's go check it out. Well, it is something you don't see every day. £2 for a Saturn game. Also, £1 for Orange Box. Shame they ain't got no cover, that'd be nice. Up next we've got British Heart Foundation, but it's the home store, so they might have some stuff in here. Let's go and have a look. As expected, just furniture. And here we are at CX. Let's go and check out the window and then go inside. Oh, there's not a great deal in the window. Persona 5, a PS4 and a few Switch boxes, but that's about it. that is it from Lowestoft. Lovely little town, nice day out. Got a few bits, so let's get back to the games room and see what we got. And we are back in the games room after a great day out in Lowestoft. Yes, did manage to pick up a couple of bits, so yeah. I do like to go down by the old seaside. It's lovely. Get that nice seaside air. And yeah, go around the old charity shops and see X's. So yeah, there was plenty of charity shops there, and I actually picked something up from a charity shop. So yeah, if you would have seen the first clip, we went in and there was a load of DS games there. So I picked one up. We've got Bejeweled Twist. So this is not for trading. I think you can only get like £1.20 trading. As you can see, I paid £1.50. But it's £3 to buy in CX, and it is fully complete. So I thought, you know what? I don't mind these little strategy puzzle games, so I thought I'd pick that up. So yeah, a charity shop find, finally. £1.50. And then there was one last game that I needed to pick up for the PS3 from this series, and I've got it. It is Ratchet and Clank, all for one, and this is £8, as you can see, from CEX. Lovely condition. Opened it up, manual was in there, little reversible cover and everything. So I thought, you know what, I've got the voucher. I've seen this around. The amount of times I've seen it, I've battered inlays, no manuals. I thought, you know what, let's tick it off the list finally. So yeah, Ratchet and Clank, all for one. Yeah, we love the seaside. You'd have seen plenty of them on this channel, and you may well see another one next week. But yeah, for now, that just leaves me to say, if you're new here, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Hit the little bell, lets you know when these videos go out. And as always, I'd like to thank you all for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.